Hello, we talk about Pine script limitations. Script compilation can a script compile until 2 minutes. Okay, compile time. For example, here when I add it to chart, here we have a time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for example, less than 10 seconds, it compiled. It added to chart. Okay, maximum is 2 minutes. Okay. Script execution. Uh, Here, for example, I add this section. When I add here, you see something. When first, okay, waiting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, we have this. Okay, this is a script execution time. Okay, can be for a limit for free account 20 seconds, for paid account 40 seconds. Okay, so 20, and for paid 40. Loop executions is 500 millisecond. Okay, millisecond. Chart visual. Plot limits. Plot limits a maximum 64 plot counts are allowed per script. Okay, these are plot. Okay, so 64 for plot. Okay, not just plot arrow, plot bar, and other thing. The following functions do not generate plot counts. Okay, these are not a member of plot family. Okay, these are you can from here, for example, label max labels count. Okay, the number of last label count. Okay, default is 50 and maximum is 500. Okay, 500 label can be shown in a script, in your script. And okay, table limits. A script can display a maximum of 9 table. Okay, so 9 table. Request. A script can use up to 14 unique calls for function. Okay, but you can, for example, don't write like this. For example, hi dot request dot security for that ticker ID d high and low. Don't write like this. Okay, low, I mean, for example, let us change name. For example, I low, I high, I low. Okay, don't write like this. Your limitation will reach soon. Write like this: I high, I low, request.security. Here high, well, write like this. Okay, number of cars, I told interval tuple element interval here is S can receive up the most recent 200,000 intervals. Okay, tuple and element limit. Tuples is 128. Okay, all request function causing string taken target cannot return more than this tuple elements. Okay, however, we can get more with user defined types. Here we got this here this got discuss error because this is more than 127, but here with custom type we can get more. Okay, however, we cannot get from request.security because I think limitation is 40 and is 40 or limitation is 40. Limitation of request.security is 40. Okay, this is not in add variable. Let me show you per scope count. We can have the total number of scopes in a script cannot exceed 550. Okay, so we can have 550 maximum scopes. Okay, conditional user defined collections. We can use max bars back. Maximum max bars back is what is max bars back? Here he can check the max bars back. The length of the historical buffer the script keeps for every variable and function, which determines how many past values can be referenced using the bracket. Okay, and default is maximum is 5,000, minimum you can set. Okay, maximum bars forward is 500. Okay, and maximum bars back I said 5,000, and maximum bar forward is 500. Chart bars, how many candles will show you. Okay, how many candles, these are candles, how many of this candle will show you. Historical for the unlimited ultimate plan. Okay, plan, and for other plan, for free plan 5,000. Okay, it will show you. And trade. Okay, so here for ultimate plan you can, for backtesting and auditing, you can have more data. Trade order in backtesting in version 5 and less, in version 5 less than 5 and 5 you get error. Okay, if S can maximum, for example, 9,000 orders. Okay, if S exceed 9,000 orders, okay, you get error in version 5 and 4 and 3 too. Okay, but in version 6 you don't get any error. Okay, after S can after the once it reaches that limit, the earlier orders are trimmed to store the information of new orders. Okay, So this is a new feature in version 6, and this is really good version, a good feature. Trade order in backend still can place a maximum. Okay, we told this. Okay, or thing I explain.